Hi. As you guys can see, I have a brand new chair with me, and the special part of it is it rotates. This is going to be my new intro from now on. Anyways, uh, today I'm going to teach you a psychological technique. Hi, myself Vansh, and I am a psychology student right now at Delhi University, and I want to teach you a psychological technique to influence somebody uh, if you find something common in them, right? So the term is called incidental similarity, okay, which is basically when you find some similarities between you and the other person. Okay, let's say this is the technique my father often uses to connect with vendors uh, and shopkeepers. So the bargain at the end will be a lot easier, and it does get because I've seen this technique. I've seen him do this technique on shopkeepers, and it works like 90% of the time. So you can use it on your friends or for bargain. It's a really good place to use this technique, which is basically you find something common between you and them. For me, it's mostly the same state. I am from Uttar Pradesh, and most of the selling people, most of the shopkeepers, the vendors, they're all from Uttar Pradesh. It's like a poor state in India, kind of a poor state. Okay, I'm not gonna get into it, but most people come from Uttar Pradesh to Delhi and do this vendorship thing and become a shopkeeper, sell something. Anyways, so I found this to be a common thing between me and them. So I say, where are you from? I say, where are you from? And they say some place in Uttar Pradesh. I am from there. I know. Oh, there. Oh, I used. That's my hometown, and that's my uncle's house. And there's so just I just connect him on a personal level. So ultimately, he thinks, oh, he's a brother of mine. We belong from the same area, and in the end, when I say, oh, come on, it's like a brotherhood thing. Come on, give me like off, give me 20 rupees off or this that, and they actually agree. Otherwise, they wouldn't have. Okay, because I've tried. I have did the experiment at a vegetable market, on a shopkeeper, while buying a gift for my friend. I just yesterday I bought a what is it called, perfume, Bella Vita something perfume. uh, I I have heard that females love it. So anyways, yeah, this is the technique I wanted to teach you. So you can use this to influence somebody into giving you something, or to bargain, or just to make your work uh, as important to them, or not half to them as to you. Like if it's this much important to you, if you connect to them, connect the other person on some level, like you're from the same hometown, you have the same stage, you went to the same college, you went to the same school, you still live in the same neighborhood, uh, you guys both went on a trip to the same place. It could be anything. You just have to be confident about it, and you just have to say things like, oh, we went to the same place, oh my brother, come on, give me a fist bump, give me a handshake, uh, uh, give me a high five, things like this. Yes, you can do these things in India, just say it in Hindi. That's the only difference. Literally, people of India think that it's so hard to socialize, but they think that see, it's not about them, it's about me also, because it's just our surrounding. I know it's a topic for another day about socializing. I'll make a full guide on it for my introvert friends. And dang, I get a lot of ideas while saying, but I cannot because it will go off topic. I can speak for hours, to be honest. I can speak for 1.5 hours. Genuinely, I feel like. Once I did, I guess. Anyways, so yeah, but it's true that I will make a socialization guide for Indians to actually go up to strangers and talk. I have actually made a vlog actually going up to a stranger and talking, and I've got it on camera. Uh, I did like 5-6 interactions, and one I got on camera. Other time I was also a little shy because vlogging wasn't my it was my first time vlogging actually. That's why I was really nervous about holding a camera like this. So anyways, I got off topic as I said. So this technique really helps you. Bottom line is, find something to connect with the other person, and after a while, when you connect a brotherhood, a sisterhood, or a friendship between you, it could be with the other gender as well, but many other factors depend. But this can be a good thing you can try. Okay, so yeah, use this, connect with the other person, and later ask for something, or ask for a lower price, which I use to bargain in vegetable shops and etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all for today. Meet you another day with another topic of self-improvement. Until next time, Vanshu signing off. Take care of yourself, and Radhe.